Here's how to manually control your GPU fan speed using the Nvidia app. Open the Nvidia app and click System on the left sidebar. Go to the Performance tab. Find the fan speed target setting. By default, it is set to automatic, which lets the GPU manage fan speed based on temperature. Click Manual to take control. A slider will appear letting you set the fan speed as a percentage. 100% is maximum speed and maximum cooling, while lower values are quieter but reduced cooling capacity. Understanding the trade-off helps you find the right setting. Running the fan higher keeps your GPU cooler and may extend its lifespan, but produces more noise. Running it lower is quieter, but can cause temperatures to rise during demanding games. For most gaming setups, leaving it on automatic is fine. The GPU's temperature management is well calibrated. Manual control is most useful if your GPU runs hot under load and you want to push more airflow, or if you are doing quiet work and want reduced noise. A good starting point for manual control is around 60 to 70%. This significantly increases airflow over the automatic setting during gaming without maxing out the noise level. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.